Hello everyone. Talking about birds. While providing an exhaustive exploration of all bird species would require an extensive discussion, I'll offer a comprehensive overview of birds, touching upon their classification, characteristics, adaptations, behaviors, ecological roles, and some notable examples. Keep in mind that this discussion will be broad, and detailed information about specific bird species may not be covered extensively. Introduction to birds. A. Classification and diversity. Birds belong to the class Aves, a group of warm-blooded, feathered, and winged vertebrates. With over 10,000 recognized species, birds are found in diverse habitats worldwide, from polar regions to deserts and tropical rainforests. The class Aves is further classified into orders, families, genera, and species, reflecting the incredible diversity within the bird kingdom. B. Key characteristics. 1. Feathers. Feathers are one of the defining features of birds, providing insulation, aiding in flight, and serving as displays for courtship and communication. 2. Wings. Most birds have wings, allowing for powered flight. However, some flightless birds, like ostriches and penguins, have adapted to life on the ground. 3. Beaks. Beaks, or bills, are adapted to the bird's specific diet and way of life. They come in various shapes and sizes, suited for tasks such as grasping, probing, tearing, or crushing. 4. Endothermy, warm-blooded. Birds are warm-blooded, meaning they can regulate their body temperature. This adaptation enables them to thrive in diverse environments and climates. 5. Oviparous reproduction. Birds lay eggs, and their reproductive strategies vary widely. Some birds invest significant parental care, while others are more independent. 2. Adaptations of birds. A. Flight adaptations. 1. Wings and feathers. Birds have evolved a variety of wing shapes and feather arrangements to suit their flight styles, whether soaring, hovering, or rapid maneuvering. 2. Hollow bones. Birds' bones are lightweight and often hollow, reducing overall body weight to make flight more energy efficient. B. Beak specialization. 1. Carnivorous beaks. Raptors, such as eagles and hawks, have sharp, hooked beaks for tearing flesh. 2. Herbivorous beaks. Finches and parrots have adapted beaks for cracking seeds or feeding on fruits and vegetation. C. Migration. 1. Long-distance travel. Many bird species undertake seasonal migrations, covering thousands of kilometers to reach breeding or feeding grounds. 2. Navigation. Birds use various cues, including celestial landmarks, magnetic fields, and visual landmarks, to navigate during migration. D. Vocalizations. 1. Song and calls. Birds use vocalizations for communication, attracting mates, defending territories, and warning of predators. Songbirds, in particular, are known for their complex vocalizations. 2. Mimicry. Some birds, like the lyrebird and certain parrots, are adept mimics, imitating the sounds of other birds, animals, or even human-made noises. 3. Behaviors of birds. A. Courtship and mating. 1. Displays. Many bird species engage in elaborate courtship displays, involving vocalizations, plumage displays, and aerial acrobatics. 2. Monogamy and polygamy. Birds exhibit various mating systems, from monogamous pairs that stay together for life to polygamous species with multiple mates. B. Nest building and parental care. 1. Nest types. Birds build diverse types of nests, including cup nests, cavity nests, and platform nests. Nest construction varies based on the species and environmental conditions. 2. Incubation and feeding. Parental care involves incubating eggs and feeding and protecting the young after hatching. This varies widely among species, with some birds investing significant time and energy in rearing their offspring. C. Social behaviors. 1. Flocking. Many birds engage in flocking behavior, offering safety in numbers and facilitating foraging and navigation. 2. Territoriality. Birds establish and defend territories, crucial for nesting, feeding, and raising offspring. 4. Ecological roles of birds. A. Pollination and seed dispersal. 1. Pollinators. Birds, especially hummingbirds and certain species of sunbirds, play a vital role in pollinating flowers. 2. Seed dispersers. Birds contribute to seed dispersal by consuming fruits and excreting seeds in different locations, aiding in the reproduction of plant species. B. Pest control. 1. Insectivorous birds. Many birds feed on insects, helping to control pest populations and maintaining a balance in ecosystems. C. Indicator species. 1. Environmental health. Birds are often considered indicators of environmental health. Changes in bird populations can signal shifts in ecosystem dynamics or the impact of human activities. D. Keystone species. 1. Impact on ecosystems. Certain bird species, especially raptors, play a crucial role as keystone species, regulating prey populations and influencing the balance of ecosystems. The notable examples of birds. A. Raptors. 1. Eagles and hawks. Raptors are powerful birds of prey known for their keen eyesight, strong talons, and hooked beaks. They play a key role in controlling populations of small mammals. B. Waterfowl. 1. Ducks and geese. Waterfowl are adapted to aquatic environments, with webbed feet and waterproof feathers. They are often migratory and can cover vast distances during their journeys. C. Songbirds. 1. Thrashers and warblers. Songbirds, also known as passerines, are known for their complex songs. They include a vast array of species, each with unique vocalizations and behaviors. D. Penguins. 1. Adaptations to aquatic life. Penguins are flightless birds adapted to life in the water. They are excellent swimmers, using their wings as flippers. E. Parrots. 1. Colorful plumage and intelligence. Parrots are known for their vibrant plumage and exceptional intelligence. Some species can mimic human speech and sounds from their environment. F. Hummingbirds. 1. Hovering flight. Hummingbirds are unique for their ability to hover in midair while feeding on nectar. They have a high metabolism and require frequent feeding. 6. Conservation challenges. A. Threats to birds. 1. Habitat loss, deforestation, urbanization, and agricultural expansion threaten bird habitats, leading to population declines and biodiversity loss. 2. Climate change. Altered climate patterns affect the availability of food and nesting sites, impacting the survival of many bird species. 3. Pollution. Pollution, including pesticides, plastics, and oil spills, poses direct threats to bird populations by contaminating their habitats and food sources. B. Conservation efforts. 1. Protected areas. Establishing and maintaining protected areas, such as reserves and national parks, is crucial for preserving bird habitats. 2. Restoration projects. Habitat restoration initiatives aim to recreate or enhance suitable environments for birds, especially in areas affected by human activities. 3. Research and monitoring. Scientific research provides essential data for understanding bird behavior, ecology, and population dynamics. Monitoring programs help assess the effectiveness of conservation efforts. 4. Legislation and education. Enacting and enforcing laws to protect birds and their habitats, coupled with educational programs, contribute to raising awareness and fostering conservation-minded practices. 7. Conclusion. Birds are a diverse and captivating group of animals that have captured the human imagination for centuries. From the smallest hummingbird to the largest eagle, birds showcase a remarkable array of adaptations, behaviors, and ecological roles. Understanding and appreciating the importance of birds in ecosystems is crucial for conservation efforts aimed at preserving the rich biodiversity of our planet. As human activities continue to impact the environment, it becomes increasingly imperative to balance our needs with the conservation of these extraordinary creatures, ensuring a sustainable future for both birds and humans alike.